Hi, this is Steve again, building the sailboat in Bremerton, Washington, where it's only warm enough to work on a sailboat about 6 months out of the year. And so I try to be working during those 6 months, but there's always something that comes up that pulls me away onto something else. And this year, during the winter and spring, I was working on this new book, Adventurer's Guide. And as you probably know, I am the author of 3 Years on a 12-Foot Boat, and I am the author of the book about the voyage that Ginny and I went on. And the difference of this book is that it's not about a particular voyage. It's about voyaging in general. It's about adventure, travel, exploration. There's a picture of me eating a rat on the back. That's worth $10 right there. So that's my excuse for not getting a whole lot done. But I'm going to tell you about a particular aspect of this boat construction that I haven't had a chance to tell you before, and that's foam core. It's a foam core fiberglass boat. And so I'm going to show you some foam core. Here is some foam core. This is Divinycell foam that's 1/2 inch thick, and let's see how much this weighs. This is going to be part of the boat. It's going to be the frame around a hatch. And so I'm going to weigh it. We're going to see how much it weighs. Well, it doesn't weigh very much. It weighs 2 ounces there, okay? Now, the Divinycell has got this little pores all around it. So the epoxy, when it's still in its liquid form, soaks into those pores and it really sticks good. Then you put on the fiberglass. This particular fiberglass that's going on this particular member is unidirectional. That means that the glass fibers run only in one direction. It's not a weave, it's only one direction of strength, and it only needs one direction of strength in this case because this is in effect a beam. The glass will be wrapped around this foam like this, and then here's the second layer. All this is saturated with epoxy, sticking to the foam to provide a member that is strong in this direction. That is, here is an example of the same thing. This is a finished beam, and its requirement is to resist pushing down when you step here. You're on the deck and you step here. You don't want that to have any deflection. So let's see how much this weighs, the finished product, compared to just the foam. That is 7 ounces. So it went from 2 ounces to 7 ounces. So the foam is about 2, the glass is about 2, the resin is about 2, except one of them was 3, I guess. So that is just about foam core. Oh, there's one last thing, and that's that when you are building something with foam core, you, in most cases, will want to put peel ply on it. Peel ply is just a light, kind of generic polyester cloth that you put over it, and it prevents a buildup on the surface of a waxy substance called amine blush, and it also gives a nice uniform texture to the finish. In a minute here, I'll be giving you another installment about what we've accomplished on the boat, and thanks for tuning in.